Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to talk about 5 legit websites in which you can earn $500 per week, and maybe you can earn also $20 per hour. So it's up to you. You can just you have to be chatting on your phone. You don't have to do anything else. We chat on Messenger, we chat on email, we chat on WhatsApp, we chat on many apps without anything. Maybe we are wasting our available times, but what do you think of if you chat on a website and they will give you monies, and it's not just $1, $2 or $3, it's $500. So first of all, let me talk about jobs at Apple. So in this website you have to just type chat and analyze and support them, and they will give you money. Make your passion your profession. If you love exploring the ways technology helps you do all your favorite things, you will probably be great at sharing your knowledge with others. That's what you'll do every day as an Apple at Home advisor. And with each customer conversation you have, it becomes clear you are not just supporting technology, you are supporting people. So in this website, Apple is so famous, so big company on earth. So you don't have to just roam anywhere, you just have to stay at home. You just consulting people, supporting technology, and then you can earn money. So when people contact us for help, and at Home advisor is often the one who responds. From your own home, you will be their human connection to Apple, friendly, thoughtful and real. You will answer questions about our products and services and reaching customers' lives by helping them access the wonder they have come to expect from Apple. And every time you save someone's day, you'll be amazed by what it does for you. So you can see your home now open for business. Comfort, convenience and no hassle commute are all the reasons people like to work from home. If you work in office and go to office, there are lots of hassles, lots of frustration, lots of problems. But if you work from home, there is no hesitation, no hassles, no problems. You will get comfort and convenience. But if it sounds casual, make no mistake, this is professional role. You will need a quiet, distraction-free workspace with a door you can shut, an ergonomic chair and desk for the iMac and headset will provide. And your network connection. Working from home is not for everyone, but if you are confident, disciplined and self-motivated, home can be a place where work and life don't clash, they collaborate. So the first thing, you need a room, a chair, and they will provide you iMac and headset. So you will need a room, a free space where no one speak or no one disturb you. Okay, that will train you to be the best, and you will be connected. You will get paid as you learn Apple technologies and get familiar with the approach to customer conversation, guided by a live instructor through an online program. A network of co-workers is always there for you, and you will keep in touch with your team and manager through videos, conversation and chat tools. So being part of Apple is not the only benefit. All at Home advisors, even those who work part-time, receives a robust benefits package including product discounts and paid time away. We also have all kinds of resources to promote your career development, and that's helpful because the kind of work you will do in the future at Apple may not even be invented yet. So all you have to do is sit in a room at your home and use an iPad or iMac, and then earn some money by chatting. Our next website is the chat shop. When you first enter this website, they will give you a pop-up message and you can chat with them. And don't worry, if you chat with them, they will give you money. As I have already said before, you can earn $400 to $500 per week. So the chat shop is about people who believe in what they do. We are about conversation that inspire, not in scripted platitudes. We are powered by people and driven by data. We are here to help you get the job done. We are live chat experts. We are live chat experts, from consulting to skilled US and UK outsourcing. You get to live chat to increase your list by 50%. and achieve 99 customer satisfaction. Real people, real conversation. Work with us. We are constantly adding to our team, and if you want to energy, skills and desire to the chat shop family, would love to hear from you right here and now. Why wait? Live chat jobs, copywriter and sales development representative. So there are 3 type of jobs. You can live chat job, you can live chat with them and they will give you money, and or you can be a copywriter, or you can be a sales development representative. So there are so much information about this website, and why wasting your time at home or running or going in other places? You can just work here and you can just earn money here. Our third website is Sidestep. Live chat is our passion. We are here to show empathy. We are here to engage. We are here for your visitors. We are here for you. So Sidestep provides boutique and proactive live chat for elite business, offering the most personalized of servicing. Studies that people crave empathy for more than service in the initial engagement. We humanize your website experience to immediately welcome and serve your visitors, bringing you a more informed, educated and interested prospect who is comfortable taking the next step. You can see the testimonials team and carriers. Okay, we are always accepting applications to be a part of our amazing team. Join us, so you can join with them, you can earn money. Okay, number 4 is work at Square. Square is a website in which you can earn and build your own career. So see where you fit in. There are lots of tags. There are business tag, there is communications, there is counsel, data, design and creative, engineering, product, finance, hardware, people, university. So if you are one of these tags are skilled in, you can just work in here. Suppose if you are skilled in design and creativity, you can just click on this button here and work in there and get your money. So you can also see view job openings. So there are 5 ways they give you money. Square point of sale turns a smartphone or tablet into a complete point of sale. It helps sellers take payments and so much more. Capital. Square Capital is a simple and straightforward approach to lending funds that help business grow. Square teamed up with Caviar to help restaurant owners increase sales and deliver outstanding service plus the best food in town. It's like real cash but better. Square Cash is the easiest way to send money between friends and accept payments for your business. So Life in Square, we provide a competitive salary and benefits package. Our equity plan allows full-time employees to share ownership and achievement in our company. Our health insurance options connect you with a network of doctors and specialists providing comprehensive coverage. We offer a flexible vacation policy and maternal and paternal leave, wellness services, culinary programs, learning and development opportunities, and annual office celebration, all of which allow you to connect, refresh and thrive. Learning and development, company information and quotes. So there are lots of information in this website, and you can ask installers and monies, and you can see overview, careers, teams, benefits, company info. If you need some information about this website, you can just click on this button. Okay, our next website is Supportcom. Okay, this is our last website of chatting website. You can consult with people about something or analyze people's matters, discussions. So what to say, support the people that support technology. Join the Supportcom team. Current opinions. Life is better when technology does when it's supposed to do. We want to make that happen for everyone, be enabling dramatically better support for a connected world. Support the people that suggest technology. Join the Support.com team. You understand the important role that technology plays in our lives. You enjoy working in a winning corporate environment. You are looking for more out of your career than just another job. You want a sense of pride in what you do. If this sounds like you, then you have found the right place. Welcome to Support.com. At Support.com, you'll work with confident leaders who have changed the way consumers and small business experience technology. As you grow with us, you will be inspired and challenged to be your best. Support.com acknowledges employees for their achievements through ongoing employee development, competitive salaries and reward programs. Whether you became part of our corporate or technology specialist teams, choosing to grow with Support.com will afford you the opportunity to be part of a team that develops now innovative ways to help our customers and world-class partners each day. You will work in an atmosphere that enables you to fulfill both professional and personal goals. So in this website there are lots of ways, lots of features you can work on. You can see the services, you can see solutions, you can see customers, you can see resources, you can see blog, you can see lots about us. So if you need to know anything about Support.com, you can have a huge platform to learn about them. Okay, you can see about Support.com leadership, board of directors, partners, careers. Contact us in the news, press release, events and webinars, product webcast, hours, overview, investor fact, reverse stock, split fact, analyze coverage, corporate governance, financial reports, SEC links, investor webinars and events. So that's it. That's how we can just chat and describe with people, talk with people, and then they will give you money. That's the easiest way to earn money. Thank you for watching my video, and subscribe my channel to get update news and update ways to get money.